And if you love cozy mornings, fall crisp air, and beautiful boxes left at your door, this box may be for you. This box feels so full and I cannot wait to dig in. However, let's look at the front first. It is in this beautiful soft green color and it has a gorgeous pink floral wreath on the cover, and it says Cozy Comforts, Home and Lifestyle by the Reclaimed Ranch. And if I hold it up, you'll see that on two of the sides there are some designs. This sweet little bird is hanging out on the back. And right here there's a small floral design. It is so beautiful. And you can see on the bottom, that's where she placed the label. So when you first open the box, you'll see two beautiful inserts. One of a sunflower sticker that says you are worthy, and a lovely little note that says Cozy Comforts just for you. A message from Tara, and it says, with love, Tara of the Reclaimed Ranch. And if you flip it over, it has a lovely little message that says, take a deep breath. This cozy moment is all yours. You care for everyone else, and now let this box care for you. And all of her socials are here so you can follow her. And the best part, first you'll see we have two fall drink mixes. The first is a spiced apple cider, and the second is a chai. And then we have this super soft journal. And if I take off this, you can take a look inside. Has a beautiful floral design. And it says the notebook of, and it's a lined notebook. And on the back cover, a beautiful scripture. And here you have a matching pen. Next, we have this adorable white enamel cup. And on the inside, a green velvet bag. Let's see what's inside this green velvet bag. It looks like a candle pumpkin caramel crunch. And last but not least, we have this gorgeous, soft woven throw with lots of fun fringe down at the bottom, all wrapped up in this sweet bow. It would be perfect for gifting or for unwrapping yourself. Honestly, I can't wait to cuddle up on the couch with this blanket, light the candle, and drink a little cider in that sweet mug, and maybe jot down a few notes in my journal.